Hello, hello. I'm Marie Daniels, and today it's all about Twitter news. Now, why are we talking about Twitter today? Well, because on April 15th, there's going to be some changes to your Twitter feed, and we're going to show you exactly what that is. All right. So let's dive in. Currently, when you are looking at your Twitter feed and you open it up, you go directly to this For You tab. Now, this For You tab currently, right now, has a slew of items that are on the For You tab. It has a combination of the people that you are following and the algorithm choices for you, right? Well, as of April 15th, the only way that you are going to be making it on this page to be shown to everyone else is if you are a paid subscriber. You're going to have that Twitter Blue paid subscription. No longer are you just going to be populated by the algorithm because you have relevant content. You have to pay to play. So let me show you exactly where you can find that information. So right here, it talks to you all about what the plans are for right now. Right now, it's $7 a month if you do the annual plan, and they're going to charge you $8 a month if you want to go monthly. Now, this probably will work and be a feasible option for brands and companies that really want to make sure that they are still able to be shown on that For You page to potential followers, right? In the meantime, if you want to find your followers, what you're going to do is click this tab over here to the right of your For You page, and then you will see all of the accounts that you are currently following and subscribed to follow, right? Great. Well, what happens if you want to just find new accounts all on your own that are about a particular subject? Well, you can still use the Explore tab over here on the left-hand side. Type in your hashtag, bring up whatever it is that your heart's desire is, right? And they still have trending news, sports, entertainment, whatever you like. So come over here to news. You're going to see, Italy. So top news in with Italy as its focus. There you go. All right. Now, you may be wondering, all right, why exactly are these things changing? Well, Elon Musk says that with the free ability to just willy-nilly add as many accounts as you want, spammers across the board are able to create hundreds of accounts and put their scams out there to suck people in. And this is Elon Musk's way of trying to significantly decrease that ability because, most likely a spammer out there is probably not going to want to pay $8 per account to create those scam accounts, right? So this is his solution. This is what he says is going on. So this is what you're going to see. I just want to know how many of you think that you will be actually getting the little blue check mark, with the paid Twitter Blue subscription. I'm totally curious. Now, will I? Probably not. I'm not that devoted to Twitter. And, as a casual user, I probably don't care enough to spend $100 a year approximately on determining whether, I get on that For You page or not. Not for me. But I can see some brands definitely wanting to do this. Now, if you liked this information and you'd like to hear more news as it comes about or get really fun tutorials with me that you can do, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, click that little bell, and you'll be notified. I will see you all next week with some new information. Have a good one.